guys, today it's our last day here in Italy and the last day of our Europe trip, and today we are going back to Manila. But before that, we are going to have our last walk around in Rome, Italy. Okay guys, now we're having our last breakfast here, and yeah. Let's eat. Okay guys, now we're done eating breakfast and now we're just going to have our last walk around before our flight going to Dubai. And our first flight is from Rome to Dubai, and our next flight is from Dubai to Manila. So our flight is still at 10 p.m. So we have like 4 to 5 hours to walk around for our flight, and yeah. So I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we're here at the Spanish Steps and we're behind the Basilica, and here's the view here. And yeah, so I will give you a quick montage.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, after some walk arounds, we're now having lunch, and after that we're going back to the hotel to get our lunches, and yeah. And after that, we're heading to the airport for our 10 p.m. flight to Dubai. So I'm gonna see you guys after eating. Alright guys, so me and my brother ordered lamb chop while my mom ordered her fish with potatoes. And yeah, so my dad's order is not yet arriving, and yeah, so let's eat. My dad ordered their seafood pasta. Okay guys, now we're done eating and now we're heading back to the hotel for our luggages and take an Uber going to the airport. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys back in the hotel. Okay guys, now we're here in the hotel again, just take a quick rest, and we're now getting our bags, and yeah, so now we're now taking an Uber going to the airport, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we got our lunches and now we're heading to the airport via Uber, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the airport. Okay guys, now we're at the airport. The last montage. Okay guys, now we're here in the airport and we're just waiting for a few hours so we can now check in and head to the boarding gate for our flight going to Dubai. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the boarding gate. And so guys, if you are a Filipino going to Italy, you'll not hesitate, since some of the workers here in Italy are working in a restaurant or having a business here. And yeah, so it's much better if you can talk to them and ask them how are they doing here, since they are far away from their families. And yeah, so that's all that I can say to you as a Filipino going to Italy.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, now we're here in the check-in baggage and now we're in line. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the boarding gate. Okay guys, now we have just passed through security and immigrations, and now we're passing through the duty free. And yeah, so we're now heading to the lounge, I think, but I'm not sure if we can go inside the lounge. And yeah, so right now we're walking at the lounge, and yeah, so I'm gonna update you guys. Okay guys, now we're here inside the lounge, and now we're just waiting for max 2 hours, since it's the policy of the lounge that is only allowed to stay for 2 hours. And yeah, so here's the airport itself, and yeah, so I will give you the last montage. Okay guys, now we're done with the lounge and now we're heading to the boarding gate, and our boarding will start at 9:25, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the boarding gate. Okay guys, now we're here in the boarding gate and now we're waiting for our boarding time, and we will be taking the plane Emirates A380. So the A380 has an upper deck, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the plane. Okay guys, now we're inside the plane and we're on board Emirates Airbus A380, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you my Alright guys, so one unique feature of this plane is that there is a camera that is convenient for them in the aisle seat, and yeah, so the flight to Dubai will take 4 to 5 hours, and we will arrive in Dubai at 5 a.m. and yeah, so see you guys when we're approaching Dubai.
5 hours later.
Okay guys, now we're approaching Dubai and 44 minutes we're about to land, and yeah, so just see you guys for touchdown. Dubai. Our next connecting flight is from Dubai, Manila. So see you guys in the next connecting flight in the boarding gate. Okay guys, now we're here at Dubai and it's past the security and duty free. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the boarding gate.
A few inches later.
Okay guys, now we're here in the boarding gate and we just went to the lounge for some breakfast, and yeah. So this time our layover now in Dubai is better, which is 2 to 3 hours. Unlike in Abu Dhabi, we spent 7 hours in layover when we went back to Manila from Madrid, which is just the 3 of us. And yeah, so the good thing here is that there are some Filipinos working here in the Dubai airport, and yeah, so don't hesitate to ask them for help if you need anything, like buying some stuff in the duty free. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the plane for Manila. Okay guys, now we're here in the plane now going for Manila, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you my ayan. Okay guys, just same as the A380, you still get a camera, and here's the thing. So this is convenient for those owning the aisle seat. So here's it guys. So here's the camera, and yeah, and just like the A380, you still get the remote control, and here's the camera. So this flight from Dubai to Manila will take 8 hours and we will arrive at 10 p.m. So I'm gonna see you guys when we're approaching Manila.
6.5 hours later.
Okay guys, now we're approaching Manila, and in 47 minutes we're about to land. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys for touchdown. And we're back to Manila. Okay guys, finally we made it back in Manila, and we're just getting our check-in bags. And the good thing here is that my first day of classes was extended till next week, so I don't have to worry like being absent for another day. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys back at home.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now we finally made it back home and our Europe trip ends here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.